these are the switches. Okay, so this is switch A and this is switch B. So A and B here as well, A and B, A and B. Now it's time to redraw more 3 circuits same as this one, so we could precisely explain the 4 cases here. Actually 4 case number 1, so 0 0 will have output 1, and case number 4 1 1 we have 1, and case number 2 and 3 there won't have any result, it means output 0. So let's draw more 3 diagrams same as this one, so we could explain more in details. So for first case, let's explain the very first case. So A and B is 0, and here A and B is 0, so this is 0 and this is 0. Now here 0 mean 1 and 1, so this one is 0 and this is 0. The very first case number 1, so for case number 1, input 0 0, output will be 1. Let's try this one, right? So A is 0 and B is 0, so this will be 0, and here A is 0 means 1 and B is 0, so B to the power prime, it means it is 1, so 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, so output is 1, right? So A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, and here the another one is A bar and B bar. So A bar is equals to 1 and B bar is equals to 1. It means this is connected and this is connected as well, but these two are open. Indeed, the current will flow from the potential source or power source or voltage source here. It will go through this direction, then light, and as it is closed circuit, so this cycle has completed. It means the output will be 1. So the first condition is satisfied. Now case number 2. So case number 2, 0 1, so A 0 and B is 1, so here it will be 1 for case number 2, and A is 0 means it is 1, and this is B means 1, so it will be 0. So pardon, this will be 0 plus 0, so it will be 0. So for case number 2, let's try this figure. So this is case number 2. So A is 0, it means it is open, and B is 1, so this is connected, and then A bar means this is A bar, that is connected, and B bar is open. So the current flow will be from here to here, then here, then it will come back to done the closed circuit. As a result, there will be no current flow through the bulb. As a result, the output is 0. So it is also justified, case number 2. Now case number 3. Case number 3, same as case number 2. So 1 0, output will be 0 as well. So let's consider this is case number 3. So 1, I mean this is actually opposite. So let's try this is 1 for A and B is 0. So A dot 0 is equals to 0, and here A is 1, it means this will be 0, and B is 1. So 0 dot 1 is 0, so this will be 0 as well. So A is 1, so let's connect this one. B is 0, so it is open, and A bar is open, but B bar is 1. So this is connected. Now the flow of current will be, it is circulated through this direction. So this is a complete circuit. So the current will flow through this loop. So there will be no current flow through the bulb. As a result, this will be 0. Now case number 4. So case number 4, 1 and 1. So case number 4, 1 and 1. So A1, B1, and A bar is 0 dot 0. So the output will be 1, right? So A is 1 and B is equals to 1 as well, and A bar and B bar is 0, 0, 0. It means this is connected and this is connected, but these two are open. As a result, the flow of current is flow through this direction. So from the positive to, it can't go through these two switches because of this is open. As a result, the current will flow through this direction. As a result, the bulb will blinking. So output is 1. So case number 4 is justified. Hope you understand. If there are any question, please ask me through comments. I'll answer as soon as possible. Thank you. So it's time to draw the circuit diagram of XNOR Gate. So output of XOR Gate is A, exclusive B. So XNOR Gate means opposite, so top of the bar need to be placed, and the output of XNOR is equals to AB plus A bar B bar. This is the output, right? Now it's time to draw the electric circuit for XNOR Gate. Indeed, of course, we have a potential source or voltage source, and to check the output we have to have a light to investigate the cases, and here we have got actually 4 cases. I'll explain. So now it's time to draw the switches.